Girl, on my way to take Nala to the groomers, and then we're gonna stop at a few stores along the way. Woo! Nitty back. Nitty back. Hi. Say I don't like the groomers.
There's the first bag over here. No, we got chairs. We got beef. I know.
Add two of these, because I'm pretty sure you guys get two every time. And then the lemon
Did you
chicken.
check the date?
Yes, I checked the dates. I was looking at the salads over there.
What else he said? That's it?
Those fishy things.
Oh, they at the counter. Swedish fish. Should I get the ice cream cones? Those mini ice cream cones?
Yeah. I got two.
Want some of these?
Oh, they like frozen bananas?
Yes.
Sure. Why not?
Should I get those ice cream cones again?
I didn't have them, so extra, second L.
Get one then, girl. What else? That's it? Let me see their pizza. Have we ever tried their pizza? Huh? I gotta get me something to eat.
I'm hungry. We have so much in common.
Girl. On our way to a LASIK consultation. Just came out of Ulta. Happy with my purchases. Put it back. Put it back. So I'll show you guys what I purchased when I get home. Now I have to grab something to eat, and I'm gonna stop at Big Lots as well.
You do have more room if you want to pull up more.
Me or oh, okay.
Who else? Who else? Alright, what can I get for you today?
Can I have the 4-count chicken strip meal?
Okay, what drink would you like?
A lemonade.
Alright.
And ranch dressing.
Okay.
That's it.
Alright, so just one 4-count strip meal medium with a lemonade?
Yes.
Alright, and are you paying cash or card?
Card.
Card I can take here. Came out to be $8.90.
Oh, I can't get it.
Thank you. There you go. Alright, we'll serve you out the window. You're gonna follow the the car in the next one.
The enclave or something?
I can't
okay.
pronounce that word.
Alright, thank you.
Girl, this little pretty little thing, it's all bent up.
Okay everyone, so I'm back from Trader Joe's, and we also stopped at Big Lots and Ulta. So from Trader Joe's, we got the Mandarin orange chicken. This is a chopped salad with grilled chicken, lemon pepper grilled chicken, and this is just a package of stir-fry vegetables, and then a few bags of their chicken fried rice, Scandinavian swimmers, and this was cute, so I thought I would try this. Gone bananas, dark chocolate covered banana slices, and then hold the cone, the little mini ice cream cones. And of course some chunks, turkey and beef. And then just a cucumber. And that's it from Trader Joe's. So from Ulta, I just got a few things. This is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I am in a F13. And then I got the Milani Make It Last Finish Matte Setting Spray. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil and Espresso. From Big Lots, I got some puppy pads, and I got this bubble wrap just for some things that I'm doing and have to wrap up for the Salvation Army. Some Head and Shoulders shampoo for my sons. Dove body wash for me. Benadryl because allergy season is upon us. Canada Dry Ginger Ale. And then I wanted to try the sparkling ice and the crisp apple flavor. So they had those, so I got a few of those. I did also get 2 of the vases for outside and the artificial plants. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with those, but I'll insert a picture of the vases and the plants, and then I'll show you the finished product once I get done with it this evening. It's fresh from the groomers. Nunu, Nunu, say hi.
She smells good.
Nunu, yay! Come on, Nanny. Come on, please.